Have you ever wondered how some people manage to turn a sea of debt into a wellspring of wealth? This transformative journey is not just about numbers. It's about resilience, strategy, and sometimes a complete lifestyle overhaul. In today's feature, we dive into the real stories of individuals who faced towering debts and emerged victorious. These are not just tales of financial redemption. They are lessons in perseverance, offering a beacon of hope to anyone navigating the murky waters of financial distress. Understanding debt. What really lies behind the curtain of debt? Often, it's not just about spending beyond means. It's a complex web of circumstances, choices, and sometimes sheer necessity. From the allure of credit cards to the daunting weight of student loans and mortgages, debt comes in many forms. Each carries its unique challenges and emotional burdens. Credit card debt, with its high interest rates, can feel like running on a treadmill. Student loans, a promise for a brighter future, often turn into a prolonged financial shadow post-graduation. Mortgages, symbols of stability, can become shackles for the unprepared. Understanding these nuances is the first step in transforming financial burdens into opportunities for growth. Overcoming credit card debt. Meet Alex, a young professional whose journey with credit card debt is both cautionary and inspiring. Initially, credit cards seemed like a convenient tool, offering rewards and a sense of financial freedom. But as time passed, the balances on those cards grew like a balloon ready to burst, and making just the minimum payments turned into a monthly dread. Interest compounded relentlessly, transforming what had once been small purchases into substantial, looming debts. It was a pivotal moment for Alex when the realization struck that overcoming this debt required more than just paying the minimums. It demanded a well-thought-out strategy. The first step was meticulous budgeting, tracking every single expense to understand where the money was going. This eye-opening exercise revealed areas where Alex could cut back and redirect funds toward debt repayment. The second prong of the strategy was adopting the debt snowball method. Alex decided to focus on paying off the smaller debts first. While this might not always make the most financial sense in terms of interest rates, it provided crucial psychological wins. Clearing those smaller debts created a sense of accomplishment that fueled the motivation to tackle the larger ones. To expedite the debt repayment journey, Alex took on a side job, dedicating every extra penny earned to clearing those debts. The sacrifices were real, but so were the rewards. Within just 2 years, what had once seemed like an insurmountable mountain of debt had transformed into a story of triumph and financial literacy. Alex's experience serves as a powerful reminder that with determination, discipline, and a well-thought-out plan, even the most daunting financial challenges can be conquered. The journey wasn't easy, but it was a testament to Alex's resilience and commitment to achieving financial freedom. This inspiring story shows that anyone can turn their financial situation around with the right mindset and a solid plan in place. Escaping student loan debt. Sarah, a recent graduate, had always viewed her education as an investment in her future. However, as the weight of her monthly student loan payments began to bear down on her, she realized the daunting reality of the financial burden she carried. Determined to take control of her financial future, she embarked on a journey towards debt-free living. The first step on Sarah's path to financial freedom was a detailed assessment of her debts. She meticulously listed every loan, noting their respective interest rates and payment timelines. Armed with this knowledge, she devised a strategic plan to tackle her loans head-on. Sarah's strategy was a combination of consolidation and refinancing. By consolidating her loans, she simplified her monthly payments, making it easier to keep track of her progress. Additionally, she managed to secure lower interest rates through refinancing, reducing the overall cost of her debt. But Sarah didn't stop there. She embraced a frugal lifestyle, cutting out unnecessary expenses and luxuries. She cooked at home, brewed her own coffee, and found joy in thrift shopping. Every dollar saved went towards increasing her loan payments. To accelerate her journey to financial freedom, Sarah took on side hustles. She worked evenings and weekends, freelancing her skills, and even started a small online business. The extra income not only boosted her loan payments, but also provided her with a sense of empowerment and control over her financial destiny. With dedication and a rigorous approach to her finances, Sarah achieved her goal of paying off her student loans in just 5 years. The day she made that final payment brought not only financial relief, but also a profound sense of accomplishment. Sarah had not only liberated herself from the weight of debt, but had also gained valuable financial knowledge and discipline that would serve her well in the years to come. Sarah's story serves as an inspiring example of how determination, strategic planning, and hard work can lead to financial freedom and a brighter future. Turning business debt into success. Chris had always harbored a dream of owning his own cafe, a cozy corner where people could gather for great coffee and delicious pastries. When he finally realized his dream, he poured his heart and savings into the venture, but reality hit hard. The cafe initially struggled, and Chris found himself drowning in debt. It was a bleak period, but Chris was determined to make his dream a success. To turn things around, Chris knew he had to be strategic. He began by renegotiating terms with his suppliers, seeking more favorable deals that would ease the financial burden. Simultaneously, he examined every aspect of his operations, looking for ways to boost efficiency and cut costs without compromising on quality. Staff training and scheduling were optimized, and wastage was reduced to a minimum. Marketing played a pivotal role in attracting more customers to the cafe. Chris invested in a visually appealing website and ramped up his presence on social media platforms. Eye-catching photos of his cafe's specialty drinks and pastries drew in foodies from all around. Chris also decided to diversify his revenue streams. He began offering catering services for local events, leveraging the cafe's reputation for quality. Additionally, he introduced merchandise like branded mugs, t-shirts, and tote bags, which quickly became popular among his loyal customers. While these strategic decisions were essential, Chris knew that the heart of his cafe was its customer experience. He and his staff made sure that every customer feel valued and welcomed. The ambience was warm, the service friendly, and the coffee always brewed to perfection. Over time, Chris's hard work began to pay off. Slowly but surely, the cafe started to turn a profit. It wasn't easy, and there were many sleepless nights, but Chris's determination and strategic planning had paid off. He not only cleared his business debts, but also established a thriving, profitable cafe that had become a beloved part of the community. Chris's journey from financial turmoil to success was a testament to the power of perseverance, strategy, and a genuine passion for what he did. Navigating mortgage challenges. Mortgages often symbolize stability, but they can become financial shackles for the unprepared. Meet Emily, who faced overwhelming mortgage challenges when unforeseen circumstances rocked her life. Emily initially thought her mortgage was a stepping stone towards homeownership, but unexpected medical expenses and a job loss left her struggling to make her monthly payments. Emily's journey towards financial recovery involved a multifaceted approach. First, she reached out to her mortgage lender to discuss her situation openly and explore possible solutions. Together, they devised a temporary modification plan to reduce her monthly payments, providing some breathing room. Simultaneously, Emily sought additional sources of income. She took on part-time work, freelanced in her field of expertise, and even rented out a spare room in her home to generate extra cash. These efforts helped her meet her immediate financial obligations and regain her footing. Emily also trimmed her budget, cutting back on non-essential expenses, and embraced a frugal lifestyle. She canceled unused subscriptions, cooked at home. Over time, Emily's financial situation improved. She was able to transition back to her full-time job. These real-life stories of overcoming various forms of debt are powerful reminders. If you found these stories valuable, engage with our channel, Money Magnify, by liking, sharing, and subscribing.